Once upon a time, there was a man who was in love and plagued by hiccups. So was she. The hiccups would not depart, so she did. After waking up from his eggnog-induced coma, he searched for help. He found 250 cures and tried them all but a few.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Oh, now go, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I'd crumble? You think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll feel alive. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my love to give. And I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey.
After accepting his fate, our hero began the road to less self-hatred by joining Match.com and had foolproof matches selected just for him.
Hello, my love. It's getting cold on this island. I'm sad alone. I'm so sad on my own. The truth is, we were much too young. Now I'm looking for you, or anyone like you. We said goodbye with a smile on our faces. Now you're alone. You're so sad on your own. The truth is, we ran out of time.
He had an idea. He would cover his hiccups in fits of laughter. And then they had the roughest, kinkiest sex for 15 days straight. When he finally left to change his clothes, she told him she loved him. She was hurt. As times became desperate, so did the measures.
寒风萧萧细水寒，壮士一去兮不复还。
And his hiccups were gone. Never mind. Whether it was the shock of running into her or the pure power of love was not clear, but his hiccups were gone forever. Now that's another story